ABB delivers purpose-built solutions for your force and dimension measurement needs. With our high-precision products, we help our customers increase quality, improve productivity, and reduce environmental impact in the metals and paper industries. Since 2008, our service center in Japan has been dedicated to delivering reliable service support, including product inspections and repairs. It also operates as a central hub for dispatching skilled technical engineers to carry out commissioning, maintenance, and provide technical assistance. In 2013, we expanded our services to include maintenance of flatness measuring rolls. Today, we offer rapid in-house capabilities for advanced diagnostics, calibration, and fast turnaround inspection and repair services, such as bearing replacements and signal connector inspections. We provide regular performance inspections and cleaning services to detect early signs of wear or malfunction, helping to ensure stable and reliable measurement performance. Our expertise also covers a wide range of force measurement load cells, delivering inspection and repair services. ABB enables customers to control processes, enhance quality, and promote sustainability across their operations.